Facebook founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg has been slaughtering his own meals as a personal challenge. In an email he sent to Fortune, the 27-year-old billionaire said, "This year, my personal challenge is around being thankful for the food I have to eat. I think many people forget that a living being has to die for you to eat meat, so my goal revolves around not letting myself forget that, and being thankful for what I have." Zuckerberg's main influence for this bizarre practice has been a well-known Silicon Valley chef named Jesse Kuhl. Kuhl advised him as he killed his first chicken, pig, and goat. He cut the throat of the goat with a knife, which is the most kind way to do it, says Kuhl. After the slaughter, the dead creatures go to a butcher in Santa Cruz who cuts them into parts. Zuckerberg and his longtime girlfriend, Priscilla Chan, have been cooking what he slaughters, eating what many people opt to avoid. He recently ate a chicken, including the heart and liver, and used the feet to make stock. He posted a photo of the bird on his Facebook page, along with a list of the dishes he made from it. According to Fortune, many of Zuckerberg's 847 friends on his private Facebook page have weighed in on his post with a mixture of confusion, curiosity, and outright disgust. For more information on this topic, visit the link below. And for more stories from Mahalo News, visit any of the links above.